So in previous videos we created some simple model railway items which we can FDM print. Today I thought we would make this simple oil drum that will FDM print. I'm going to design it so it can be printed at OO scale. So we are going to be using the meters template again, and we're going to be designing in meters. So we're going to start off with the rectangle tool. I'm going to draw half of the oil drum. So we're going to start off on the green axis and we're going to type 0.292, 0.876, enter. The next tool we need is the tape measure tool. So we're going to draw down 0.33 and then we're going to draw up from the bottom 0.33. The next tool we need is a circle tool, again on the green axis. I'm going to pull that and we're going to type 0.03. We'll come down to this point, again on the green axis, 0.03. We're going to then select the erase tool and I'm going to delete these points here. I'm now going to create the lips at the top of the barrel. I'm going to choose the tape measure tool so I can create the rib at the top, and I want this to be 0.01. I want the same at the bottom, 0.01. And then I want the circle tool again on the green axis. I'm going to pull it till I meet that point there and delete. And then I'm going to do the same on the bottom. So I'm using the scroll button to zoom in and out. Again, lock onto the green axis on the cross. Delete and delete. So I'm just going to home in, and the next part I want to do is put a recess in the top of the barrel. So again on this one I'm going to do a lift down, and I'll do that approximately 0.03, and I want it pulled in 0.03. Getting the rectangle tool or square tool, again on the green axis, draw that square in. I can then delete. I can get rid of the guidelines, and this basically gives the shape that I want for the barrel. These measurements you may need to alter depending on the quality of your printer. These work out on mine, not a problem. So the next thing I need to do is highlight all of this, and I'm going to click on the move tool and I'm going to move it up on the blue axis approximately 0.6 of a meter. I then need to choose the circle tool, lock this to the blue axis using the up arrow key, pull it out, and I need this to be 0.292. I also want to click on the outside of it. I need to click on this and go to Entity, and here you can see the diameter or the radius and the number of segments, and I'm going to knock the number of segments up to 200. Press enter. So I need to click outside of it, then click inside of it, go to the follow me tool and click on here. Now this might take a few seconds depending on the speed of your computer. Sometimes mine is quick, sometimes it's very slow. And then here you can see we now have the basic shape of the barrel. So the only thing we've got left to do is to draw the little filler cap. So I'm going to zoom in, rotate it a little bit. I'm going to pick the circle tool and then on the face draw a circle, and I need that to be 0.05 mm radius. The only thing I've got left to do then is click in the middle using the pull up tool and pull it to the top, and here now we have the finished barrel. The only other thing left to do is highlight it all, right click, make a group. I can now go to File, Export STL, using the millimeters, export. I'm going to call this Simple Barrel. Click on Save. So I come into Super Slicer, click on the import and bring in Simple Barrel. Here you can see it come in very large, and I need to scale it down to 1.32. Zoom in, and here you can see the barrel ready for slicing. No errors detected, and this will print no problem. And here is the printed item on my FDM printer. Hopefully these videos are helping you get into the idea of designing your own parts